In this video, we are going to see how we can insert a text box in Google Docs. So if you want to insert a text box, it can be done using the drawing feature. So just go to the insert menu and click on drawing and click on new. Here you have all the options if you want to draw some shapes, arrows, callouts, equations, the lines, or the text box. So let's draw a text box here, and you can write here whatever you want and basically format it however you want. So let's make this text box green, border color black, increase, change the text style, and you get all the options by clicking on the three dots. You can increase the size, you can change the writing color, style, and all. And after that, you just hit save and close, and it will be added to your main document. So that is how you can insert a text box into Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.